Okay guys, now I'm going to be testing my airsoft gun to show you guys. Let's roll. This is the target I'll be shooting at. Remember, this is gun 6R P230. And this is loaded with 20 bullets. Yeah. Clip wasn't in all that way. Okay, it's loaded now. First shot, short distance. This short, okay, ready? Straight through. Now guys, I'm gonna get where it was last time, which is on the other side of the room, and shoot it.
What are you doing? Stop!
Okay guys, so that is my airsoft gun. Here it is one this time. Still got lots of it in the mag. I've been shooting at this target for a while now. There it is. So yes guys, remember, look for 516 CJR. Okay guys, that's my friend. We have made some videos together. Look for the cripple button. Okay, that's a video we made that we discovered a button, and we titled it the cripple button. So yeah. Yeah, so that's it for now guys. Rusty. I don't know why I'm wearing a swim shirt when it's in winter time right now. Later I'll be making some more videos of my airsoft gun, maybe a war with my friend. We'll probably post it on his page if we make it together. So yeah guys, that is my video. Goodbye. Goodbye. No, actually sorry. Here's a what would Gur do question. What would Gur do question? What would Gur do if he met a pig with a gun? Loaded gun. It's an AK-47. Then Gur rips out a Desert Eagle with grenade launcher attachment. What would he do with that gun? Exactly. Would they get in a fight? Would they team up on Zim? Maybe did. I don't know. You answer the question. Maybe leave another question. I don't know. You answered. Goodbye now. Gouda cheese. I don't know cheese. I just like saying that. Gouda. Goodbye.